Stop for a second. Look at your life right now. Are you where you wanted to be? Or are you stuck in a loop, waking up tired, doing the same things, and going to bed feeling empty? If that's you, you don't need a new life. You need a reset. Most people think a reset means quitting everything. A new job, a new city, a new version of themselves. But that's not how real change works. Real resets don't start outside. They start inside. They start with how you think, how you spend your time, and what you allow into your mind. Right now, your life feels heavy because it is full of things that drain you. Bad habits, endless scrolling, noise, people's expectations, your own negative thoughts. You don't feel lost because you are weak. You feel lost because your system is broken. Your days have no structure. Your mind has no silence. Your actions have no direction. And without structure, even the strongest person collapses. So how do you reset your life? Not in one big dramatic moment, but in 3 quiet phases. Phase 1, clean the noise. You cannot reset a system that is constantly being interrupted. Every notification, every useless video, every piece of bad news. It all steals a little bit of your attention, and attention is your life. So the first step is simple. Reduce. Less phone, less media, less chaos. Not forever. Just long enough for your brain to breathe again. When the noise drops, you will feel uncomfortable. That's a good sign. That's your real self coming back. Phase 2, rebuild your days. Your life does not fall apart because of one big failure. It falls apart because of small, repeated habits. Late nights, no morning routine, eating badly, never moving your body. A reset means rebuilding your day from the ground up. Wake up at the same time. Move your body. Eat simply. Sleep on purpose. Not perfectly, consistently. You don't need a perfect life. You need a predictable one, because discipline creates safety, and safety creates energy. Phase 3. Decide who you are. Here's what most people never do. They never choose who they want to become. They just react to life. A real reset happens when you stop drifting and start deciding. What kind of person wakes up early? What kind of person eats well? What kind of person protects their focus? Become that person. Not with motivation, with small actions, every day. Your identity changes when your behavior changes. You don't need to fix everything at once. You just need to start. One clean morning, one focused day, one better choice. That's how a new life begins. Not loudly, but steadily. If your life feels out of control, don't panic. That means it's ready to be rebuilt. And this time, you build it on purpose. Welcome back to yourself.